chicken Marbella is the briny, sweet, tangy baked chicken recipe from the famous Silver Palette cookbook. It's a classic recipe originally designed to serve a crowd, but we cut it down to serve a family. Capers, prunes, white wine, brown sugar, and olives pack this recipe with flavor. If you're looking for a baked chicken recipe that is dinner party worthy, but also simple enough to whip up for your family whenever the mood strikes, try chicken Marbella. This recipe turns the sweet and salty ingredient combo of olives and prunes into a special dinner you make over and over again. Chicken Marbella is a classic recipe from the famous 1982 Silver Palette cookbook. The original recipe serves a big crowd, so I cut it down and used only one 3.5-pound chicken rather than two. I also reduced the sugar from 1 cup to 1/4 cup, relying on the prunes for most of the sweetness. How to create briny sweet flavor. While an unexpected combination, the ingredients come together to create a sweet and salty flavor combination that has universal appeal. This humble, easily accessible dried fruit is so sweet, and it's how we start to build flavor in the marinade immediately. Pitted green olives, for some salty tang and brininess. Capers and a bit of the juices in the jar. Similar to green olives, capers have a briny flavor, but are also a little tart. Red wine vinegar. Vinegar adds some acidity here to help season and tenderize the chicken. White wine brightens and lifts the other flavors in this dish. While the original recipe uses much more, I decided to rely more on the natural sweetness of prunes. The chicken still had a subtle sweetness, and the skin turned a beautiful golden brown. Making chicken Marbella is as simple as marinating the chicken, allowing it to sit for 30 minutes and up to overnight, and then roasting it. Make the marinade. To a large bowl, add 3 bay leaves, garlic cloves, ½ cup each pitted prunes and pitted green olives, 1/4 cup capers, plus a little juice, 1/4 cup red wine vinegar, 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil, kosher salt and black pepper. Place a whole cut-up chicken into the bowl and toss it carefully to coat it in the marinade. Let the chicken marinate, cover the bowl and place it in the fridge overnight. If you are short on time, let the chicken sit in the marinade for 30 minutes to 3 hours. Roast the chicken. When you are ready to cook the chicken, transfer the chicken and all of the marinade, including prunes, capers, etc. Pour ½ cup white wine into the baking dish before sprinkling the top of the chicken with 1/4 cup brown sugar. Place the dish in a 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven and allow it to roast for 50 minutes to 1 hour. Remove from the oven. The chicken is ready when its internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit or the juices run clear and the skin has turned a golden brown. Transfer the chicken Marbella to a serving platter and top with the prunes, olives, and capers. What to serve with chicken Marbella? Chicken Marbella is chock full of flavor, so you don't need anything super complicated to go along with it. How to store and reheat leftover chicken Marbella. To reheat, place the chicken and sauce in a skillet over medium heat and warm through. I hope you find this information useful.